good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you're tuning in from. Welcome to another live. The markets are open, and this is important right now because you want to pass your Topstep combines fast, evaluations, TPT, whatever you guys are trading. Build consistency and start seeing real results. The time to act is in this moment while the market is moving, not later when you're just watching. I'm Roderick Mack, head trader of MTF, that's Mack's Trading Family, which I teach and help traders pass their Topstep combines fast, trade better and more consistently, and grow together into powerful traders. See, tonight I'll be trading on my practice account, forward testing the exact strategy I used to pass my Topstep combines in just 2 days, taking only 2 trades. And the full breakdown is linked in the second link in the description if you'd like to see that. Now, if you're new to trading, don't worry because I got something for you as well. My 0 to 1 trading guide, third link in the description, will help you place your first trade and actually understand it. See, during the live, I'll share my entries, stop loss, and my thought process as I trade, so you can see exactly how I read the charts, manage risk, and execute. Now, it's been a minute. So here's what I want you to do next. Stay focused, breathe, take your time, and watch carefully. One good trade at a time is all it takes. Profits are in your patience. And if you want more hands-on guidance, join the community through the first link in the description to trade live with me and the crew, ask questions, and level up faster. Now, quick disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. I'm simply sharing my trades and my process. You're responsible for your own trades and risk. All right, let's dive into it. Man, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Little intro there. A little rusty, but that's all right. Been a minute. Since Thursday, I believe, was the last live. And boom, off rip, go, moving with some beautiful setups. With some beautiful setups off rip. Let's see. So usually I start off the lives with back testing, going through the morning of trades. However, with it being Sunday, there's no morning trade to go over or quite cover. So we'll just watch the markets here a little bit, break down the strategy, and see if we can catch some setups. And just get ready for the week. I didn't realize I was muted. Hopefully I wasn't muted for long. Go ahead, turn on the music for you guys. Oh no, hopefully I wasn't muted for long. I gave a whole breakdown of the strategy and everything. It's been muting on automatically on me. Let me look at film real quick just to see. I don't know. I was dropping some game too, I'm not gonna lie. If so, that's alright. I can always reiterate what I was saying. Okay. I don't even know how to go back. Un momento, por favor. Let me see how long I was muted for. See if I can. Either way, we'll break down the strategy again. Maybe I cut out before then, just in case. I need more followers. I got you. I'll do a follow for a follow. If your videos are game, what do you create videos on? But let me break down the strategy real quick, just in case I muted out during then. Easy 4-step rules. Step 1, new higher, higher, lower, low. Step 2, a pullback to the 13 EMA. Step 3, a wick off the 13 EMA. Step 4, as soon as that candle closes, I enter at break of candle. Now, let me go ahead and break down what I mean. Price was clearly pushing up. Get rid of this. Price was clearly pushing up, creating new highs. We waited patiently for a pullback to the 13 EMA, which is this white line here. My exponential moving average is the last 13 candles. Average of the last 13 candles. The easy way to add that on is go to indicators, look up EMA. I'm pretty sure on Topstep it comes up as moving average exponential. I don't know why they do that, but and then you change the settings to 13, and that's what I use here. Again, it's the average of the last 13 candles. And so that's step 2. So step 1, a new higher high was created. Step 2, a pullback to the 13 EMA, which we got here. Step 3, a wick off the wick rejection off the 13 EMA, which we got here. And as soon as that candle closes, we enter at break of candle. Now, as soon as the candle broke here, that's where we entered in at. I don't know how long I was muted out for. I was calling out everything, but it is what it is. I'm here explaining it now. And then price pushed up a little bit. I went for, looking over to my right hand side, 43.55 flat is where I was looking for TP1, and that's what we got. Pulled back the break, pulled back the drawdown a little bit, almost got stop loss, stayed patient, didn't enter out early, didn't get scared. It was what it was. If stop loss was hit, obviously we didn't get that. And now I'm going to throw in a trailing stop. Let's do 50. No, I can only do. Let's go 15 ticks, 1 con, and I'm going to sell. So we got a trailing stop now of 15 ticks. I actually wanted that a little bit bigger. Maybe my math was off. Is it 15 ticks from where price is, or is it 15 ticks from entry? That's all right. We'll keep it at that. Now we're not used to the trailing stop. It trails it on its own. So as price moves here, we're already going to get out higher than what we anticipated, which is nice. And then we'll continue to see if we can catch a nice little move going up. And again, I don't know when I went mute, but that's all right. I was able to catch the end of the setup and break it down before ultimately price was out there altogether. Nice momentum here. Some nice pushes here towards the end. A little stretch. Milking this as much as we can before getting out. This is real nice. I wonder how long I was muted for. I don't know. I missed the whole intro. Man, I might have been muted for a little bit. Any traders in the chat? How's everybody's night going? Are you trading tonight? Just watching? Getting ready for tomorrow? Boom. Price take profit hit there nicely. We were able to catch a nice runner there. Nice setup. Beautiful execution there. I might have to start. I'm on my practice account if you don't know, but I might have to start adding Sunday nights to my regular here, because the last 3 Sunday nights been green, super duper green. Might have to add it to the official trading day. Based on history, the last 3 weeks, going 3 for 3. Can't beat the data. The data's telling me to go for it. Why not stick with it? Get adjusted here. Let's see if we get another setup here. Let's see if I can break this one down without being muted. So, boom. Price created a new step 1. Price created a new higher high. It broke these highs. Higher high, higher low. Broke the high, new higher high. Price created a new higher high. Step 1. It's higher high or new lower low. Again, higher high. Step 2. Pull back to the 13 EMA, which is this white line, which I am currently waiting on now. A pullback to the 13 EMA. That's what we'll be waiting for now, which we'll look for step 3. Price to actually move through it and wick off the 13 EMA. We need that wick rejection off the 13 EMA. Once we get that, step 4, we enter at the break of candle. So we'll be looking for buys. After they get the break of candle, we enter. Stop loss goes below the wick, because again we're at buys. Stop loss would be down below, avoiding the sales. That's what we're looking for. And then again, once I get an entry, maybe get triggered in, I will adjust the take profit there. But until then, price created a new high. Wait for step 2, that pull back to the 13 EMA. Till then, vibe out to the music, relax. If you're a part of the community, look out for later tonight. Actually, I can multitask a little bit. I will be dropping the weekly webinar or monthly webinar. Usually weekly webinars, but I've been busy a little bit, so I'm just now catching up on those. Keep an eye out for that. Okay, boom. Step 2, real quick. Step 2, we got to pull back to the 13 EMA. Step 3, we need a wick rejection off the 13 EMA. For step 4 at entry. So that's step 2 and 3 played out. They're one and the same. Pull back to the 13 EMA. So boom, step 1, new higher high created. Let me go ahead and type this out so it looks a little cleaner. Step 1, new higher high. One second. Get the colors a little better. No, blue might be hard to read. No, it is for me. Step 1, a new higher high. Step 2, pull back to the 13 EMA. I usually write it like this. Let's get this out of the way here, just in case we get an entry. Keep an eye on, because entry might change here. Step 2, pull back to 13 EMA. And then step 3, and 1 sec. Gotta adjust my entry here. So step 2, we got pull back to the 13 EMA. Step 3, wick off the 13 EMA. So boom, we got that here. And then let's make this a little smaller. To where we're now waiting on step 4, which we almost got. Step 4. Type it out real quick. 30 seconds. Step 4, which would be break of candle at, which we just got. Step 4, entry at break of candle. Which we just got. Step 4, entry at break of candle. Stop loss will go below this wick once candle closes. Now, again, I am on my practice account in real time. This was a pretty clean, close setup. Real time, I would have not took this, and that is because once this candle opened up below the 13 EMA, it's no longer wick rejection off the 13 EMA. It's like in real time, I would have took this. Again, I'm on my practice account right now. Real time, I would have took this on a live account, funded account, anything combine. I would deem myself this would not be a perfect trade. Could not call myself a perfect trader with this one. But for the sake of just examples and pretty close to, it's probably going to be besides the first trade, the closest thing. Second closest thing, we're going to get to a clean setup tonight. And then let's aim for a new high. I'll take full profit at a new high. And from there, sit on hands, let price do what it do. Can't vibe out to the music. Stop loss is below. Again, new high I'm aiming for. Sometimes it's as simple as that. Couple simple rules. And then most importantly, following the rules. Let's get this out of the way here. Put it right here. Enter our break of candle. Nice push up. I wonder how potent the sound is. Hear my dog trying to get in my room, sneak in. Let her in a second. Let her know I gotta see TP get hit real quick, or we get cooked and the price comes back down and smack stop loss. I like the price action we're getting at the moment. Again, aiming for the new high to get broken. December 14th. Everybody ready for the trading week this week? New week, new opportunities, new money to be made. All at the tip of your fingers, one click away. Man, I know I'm in trading terms excited. Just go out there, follow my rules, be robot and TP hits. Nice, beautiful price action tonight. Like I said, that's third Sunday in a row. We check every single Sunday. We've been smacking. See, new accounts we hopefully don't blow. Facts. New accounts we hopefully don't blow. New. And then once those get funded, those combines are funded, new opportunities, man. All coming to us. Starting tonight if you're trading, or tomorrow. Wish everybody the best of luck in their trading week this week. Take your time, be patient. You know what to do. You know what to do better than I know what to do with your strategy. But at the same time, we know what to do. Be patient, know your rules, know your criteria, follow them to a T. When you see it, you execute. You execute like the great trader you are. When you don't see it, you sit on your hands like the great trader you are. You know what to do. You know what to do at the end of the day. It's simple. It's simple and it's as easy as you want it to be. That's what I'm going to start saying. Because trading is simple and easy, but it's as easy as you want it to be. When you start rushing, once you start playing the game how it's not supposed to be played, that's when it starts getting rocky. That's when those new accounts Like you said, we hopefully don't become blown. But we know what to do. So now this is where it gets like, we got another setup. That's the third setup in a row. Price creates a new. Let's see, hold on. Cat trying to sneak in at the moment. Price creates a new higher high. Step 2 and 3, it pulled back to the 13 EMA. Wick all to 13 EMA. See if it holds. Did not hold. See, at this point, I'll throw my rules to the right hand side. And no setup. See, from here now, I need a completely new higher high or lower low. That's how I would play this. Man, I feel with that. I'm not gonna lie, I feel good. I feel good about tonight. Leading up to tomorrow, I'm starting some new combines myself. Like I said, I'm getting ready for getting ready for the new year is kind of my mindset of trading. Working on allocation more than trading funded accounts and live accounts. Let's getting the bankroll up as the new year begins. I hope everybody has a good trading week. Again, I'll say it again for you. If you missed it, just do what you do. Do what you do. You know what to do. It's another day on the charts. Don't overstress it. Don't overstress it. Don't overdo it. Show up, conquer. Call it a day. Come back the next day, do it again. Wow, I really might have to start trading Sunday nights. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish out the rest of the year trading Sunday nights, like I usually do, and then like if I'm banging out like this, I might have to start adding this to the live account, live trading, active days, permission. Man, and it's not like just one setup. It's like multiple. It's like 2 to 3 clean setups. Usually around 8. I'm in Eastern Standard Time, so usually about 30 minutes before what time it is for you now to about 10, so about an hour out. We only been on what? Less than, I only been on 28 minutes. I only got 2 clean setups back to back. This ain't the first, this the third Sunday. And prices is proceeding. Like if I let me see. Let's look at, usually I don't like to do this, but why not? It's like a what if. What if we would have stayed in that first? What if we stayed in that first setup and left the runner and not got out at desired TP? So again, the first setup, we took the buys here. Price created a new higher high. Move it over. Oh. Price created a new higher high. Pull back to the 13 EMA. Wick rejection off the 13 EMA. Got entered in at break of candle at 4352.8. And then we got out at 4355 for first entry. Then somewhere up around 4356 something for second. But say we still stayed in. Price is still ripping up. We almost got taken out. That's the crazy thing. We almost got taken out in our first entry. Did not though. Price is still ripping for 6 points right now. Not a lot, but for slow markets, that's not too bad. But this is also why I like trading my strategy during the time I traded market open. Because a 6 point move, that's easy butter, is maybe a minute or two, if that type of thing. But I can't ask for a better night. Like I said, my Sunday nights are usually short. I should be live tomorrow night. Should be active. Come and tune in if you're trading, if you're kicking it, or just back testing, or want some trading content or whatnot, or to help keep company, or just chat. Come give me, say what's up to me. Helps my nights go by faster, especially when we don't have setups. Those are my favorite nights. Just chatting the night away. Game planning. What's the word? Brainstorming with new traders, new ideas. It's my favorite. One of my favorite things about going live. Main reason I go live, just to chat to you guys, learn new things, and then try it out. Who doesn't like to talk trading, especially when you're a trader? But all right, traders, that's a wrap up for today's session. Like I said, nice and short, 30 minutes. We came and conquered 2 trades, bang bang. Whether you took a setup or not, or sat on your hands, you showed up. That's what matters the most, because every rep counts, especially the mental ones. That's important. If you got value from the stream, hit that like button, please, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Hit that post notice. That should be on tomorrow night. Go ahead, tune in. If you want to take things further, trade live with me, get weekly breakdowns, and follow the exact process I use to pass Topstep combines fast. The first link in the description is where you can join MTF, Max Trading Family, me and the crew. If you want the complete breakdown of the strategy I actually use on these lives, GF13, Gold Flow 13, one setup, one line. That's the second link in the description. If you want the complete, and if you're brand new to trading and still want to learn the foundations or want to get to somebody who's new to trading, the 0 to 1 guide is the third link in the description. Will cut months off your learning curve. It'll get you in that field, no fluff, straight to the point, but still easy. Protect your capital this week. Stay patient this week, and let the market pay you for waiting. I appreciate every single one of you who tuned in tonight and for being here. Thanks again. I'll hopefully see you guys later this week. I'll see you on the next live. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep stacking good decisions.